Hello, welcome everyone. Today we will see about protect data in transit. So let us see. In Azure, we have to protect the data which is in transit mode. It should be a essential part of our data that should be protected. So because data is moving back and forth from many locations, so we should protect this data through SSL or TLS protocols to exchange data across different regions. In some circumstances, we may want to isolate the communication channel between on-premises and cloud infrastructures using a VPN. From moving data between on-premises infrastructure to Azure, we will consider appropriate safeguards such as HTTPS or VPN gateways. When sending encrypted traffic between an Azure virtual network and on-premises location, we will use the VPN gateway. If we want to use multiple workstation located on-premises to Azure network, we will use site-to-site VPN gateway. And if we want to individual workstation to or located on-premises to Azure virtual network, we will use point-to-site VPN gateway. If we want more larger data sets over a dedicated high-speed virtual area network link means we will go for express route. If we choose to express route means we can also encrypt the data at application level by using SSL or other protocols for added protection. So these are all the techniques we will follow to protect the data in transit in Azure. So organization that which fail to protect the data in transit will be more exposed to the say, hijacking or middleman attacks, and it will lead to some threats also. So it should be the data which is in transit is to be taken very it could be seriously considered, and it should be protected against the attacks. So let us see how it will how we have to protect the data in transit in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.